Today, Kevin and I are going to be trying some Lake Champlain chocolates. These are organic milk and dark filled chocolates. It's a 12-ounce bag, and you are going to flip your lids when I tell you how much this costs.
Where'd you buy them at?
Whole Foods.
Whole Foods.
And let me just say.
So you automatically add a few dollars.
Let me just say. They were on an end cap for Easter. When you walked in, you know, you couldn't help but see it. And I thought, oh, we haven't tried those. And I looked on the back of the bag, and I was so pleased because each egg is it's a different color and it's a different flavor. Well, they've given you a key on the back to tell you, you know, like when you buy a bag of jelly beans and they'll tell you what the flavors are. This is telling you which flavor is under which color.
Which is good.
I think that's wonderful. However, I didn't see how much they cost at Whole Foods. And I did not know how much we paid for these until I got home.
Then I said, guess.
I about fell in the floor when I found out how much we paid for these. We paid $24.99, $25 for this 12-ounce bag of chocolate.
Crazy.
Oh my gosh. That is, I would have never in a million years bought them. Never would I have bought them if I had known they were $25. I mean, to me, that's just crazy time.
Highway robbery.
It is. Okay, so there should be like, I think 5 different, let's see. There are 13 servings, but each serving is 2 pieces. There is a green. Do you want to grab?
So you almost paid $1 on chocolate.
It's crazy. You want to grab one as we go? There's a green, a pink, a blue, a gold, orange, and purple. So there's 6 flavors.
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Which one went first?
Okay, let's just go in, no, let's not go in order. Because they're very, let's do the blue.
Blue.
The blue is a dark vanilla cream. Dark vanilla cream. And these, it says about 13 servings, 2 pieces, 26 grams is 140 calories. And these are made in Burlington, Vermont.
A little filling in there.
Okay.
You can tell it's dark chocolate. You can tell it's dark. Mm-hmm. For sure.
You do get the vanilla.
A touch. It's very dark though.
It reminds me, if you've ever had a Russell Stover egg at Easter time, it has that same crisp dark shell, and the cream in the center helps to sweeten it up a little bit, because if it wasn't there, it would be pretty dark.
Yeah, because I think it's pretty dark anyway.
But I do like it. I do think it's good quality. Yeah. The vanilla isn't too heavy. It's just a nice addition to the chocolate.
I got very, very little vanilla, and I got mostly chocolate.
It's mainly dark chocolate, and it is dark.
It's bitter, has that kind of grainy kind of texture.
It is dark.
It's not bad, it's very dark.
Let's do the pink one. It is a dark truffle. It's just truffle, yes. So their website is LakeChamplainChocolates.com. And
can you imagine buying these, not realizing how much they were, buying these for the kids, for your 5 or 6 year old.
Oh my gosh!
And then you get home and you realize, oh wow, I didn't realize I paid that much for it.
Yeah.
It's chocolate in the middle.
A lot of people would probably take them back.
Mm-hmm.
I do really like the soft center.
Mm-hmm. This one almost has like a fudgy kind of flavor.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's almost like a dark chocolate pudding.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's good though. I like that.
It actually has more depth to it. The flavor has more depth to it, more flavor than the first one.
Yeah, the first one, like I said, I got very little vanilla. It was just all dark chocolate to me. This one actually had some differences.
Do you think that, let's do the green one next. Do you think that these are a good size to lay the whole thing on your tongue and let it melt, or do you think it's too big? Because we're only eating half.
You could. I would bite them in half.
Okay, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, because one, if you put a whole one in your mouth, it's going to be way too much.
Almost going to be too much.
Yeah.
You want the big piece or the little piece?
A little piece. This one is the dark coconut cream.
Okay, because I was going to say, is that marzipan? But coconut makes sense.
I wish they did marzipan. If you want marzipan, you have to go to Niederegger.
There's a nice coconut flavor.
Mm-hmm. That is so delicious. That is the last dark one, and it is by far the sweetest dark one.
And it is
Very
a coconut
sweet.
cream too. It doesn't have any pieces in it.
You know what I like about this bag too? Is that when you get a lot of the cheaper brands, they don't give you an even number.
Well,
And they pretty much did, except for the gold.
Mm-hmm.
We got an even number of, I know you can't see these, but we almost got an even number of these, except for the orange, we only got 3. 4. And the rest of them we got 5, except for the gold. And the gold, it'll be interesting to see what flavor that is, because they didn't give us many. That coconut was delicious. Yeah. Very sweet.
Still comes across as a little dark, but it's still good.
Okay. Let's do the orange. The orange is milk truffle. So instead, we've had the dark truffle, now we can have the milk truffle. And this will be the first milk we've tried. So I do like it too, that they gave you 3 different dark chocolates, and they're also giving you 3 milk chocolates. I wonder if they do a lot in white chocolate, or maybe they just don't deal with white chocolate. I don't know. Or maybe that would have been more expensive to put in here.
Mm.
Can't imagine.
Mm. After having the dark chocolate, the milk chocolate's not as strong.
Mm-mm. It is nice though.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a nice flavor. It's just different.
It's very, very thick and creamy.
Mm-hmm.
And
the filling's really good and soft too.
It's intensely sweet, whereas the dark was dark. There's no doubt about it. But that is very, very, very sweet. I think it's delicious.
It's good.
Just took a minute longer to get that rich flavor than it did for the dark chocolate.
It's good. I actually like the dark chocolate truffle better, but that was good.
I like the dark chocolate quite a bit too. But I'm
not a dark chocolate person at all.
Okay, the gold one is a milk caramel. Mm-hmm. So we only that's what we only got 2 of, milk caramel. Watch, it'll be our favorite, and we only got 2.
I love the caramel.
But you know what? When I was standing there at Whole Foods looking at this bag, this wasn't the original bag that I had picked up, because you could tell by looking at the different bags that some of them did have a few more than others. And so that's why I picked up a different bag.
I don't like the caramel.
It's different.
There's something in there that's off for me. Mm.
It's not just a very, very sweet caramel. Mm-hmm. It has a little bit, and it's not even a cooked caramel. It's a little bit, we've had this caramel before.
We have, but I don't like it enough.
In other things.
It's almost milky, almost.
It can come across as...
like spoiled milk.
It can come across as having a little bit of a funkiness to it. I could get used to it.
I want just a firm, or it can be runny too, but I'd rather have a firm, just traditional caramel. Don't add extra cream or whatever they added to that. I just don't like it.
In this case,
so it's good that I only got 2.
That's what I was going to say. I'm glad we only got 2. Yeah. So there's only 1 left. That's fine, because I will not miss it. It's not one that I would want again. It's that you cannot compare that to like a Russell Stuff or caramel at all. The last one,
peanut butter,
is milk chocolate peanut butter. That's why I saved it for last.
You do get the peanut butter flavor.
Mm-hmm.
It's not the same thing as like jar of peanut butter.
Mm-mm.
It's not quite like that.
Well,
it's also not quite Reese's Cup peanut butter.
Mm-hmm. No, but
More of a peanut butter cream.
No, but it is good. We've had some peanut butter that virtually has no flavor at all.
No.
And then we've had some that's just pure peanut. This isn't like that.
Mm-hmm.
This is very, very sweet. It is more like they've added a lot of...
like powdered sugar or something.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. And it is really good peanut butter flavor. Because trust me, I'm funny about the peanut butter. I actually like that quite a bit.
It's okay. I'm really more into the. I think I like, believe it or not, I think I like the dark chocolate ones better than the milk chocolate. Honestly, though, for the price, these are just not worth the money. I don't think.
Oh,
I think they're good, but it's way too much money.
If someone gave these to me as a gift,
you'd be happy.
I would be happy, but I would never have guessed. I would have thought, honestly, that they paid like $10 for them.
10 or 15.
About $10.
Most is 15.
I wouldn't have even gone to 15.
Right.
I would have thought, oh, they paid about $10 for that bag. Never in a million years would anybody know that you had paid $25 for that. So,
No.
so if you're doing it for that reason, don't do it because they're not going to realize that that's how much you pay.
No, because honestly, there are other chocolate collections that I like
just
better.
as good.
That are
just as good.
That are probably $10 or less.
Yes.
That are just as even. You were talking about Russell Stovers and stuff like that. You could go buy a bunch of those little packages of eggs wherever and have a really good experience.
Imagine how many of those eggs you could buy for $25.
Yeah.
I mean, and they're individually packaged.
And they're bigger too.
So like you could fill up a whole Easter basket with $25 worth of those versus this one bag. These are very pretty.
They're good.
They're very pretty. They're good quality.
Yeah, they're just not worth it.
But there's no way I would pay $25 again.
Not when there's so many other Easter options out there.
And it will kill me if I go in Whole Foods after Easter and they put those on sale.
At price.
At price or something.
That's because everybody else is like, I'm not paying that much for this.
Yeah, well, I literally, maybe I was just so excited to find something new.
And it was different flavors.
That I didn't look. They may have had a price tag right there and I just didn't see it. Okay, so you like the dark chocolate. There were 3 different ones. There was a vanilla cream, a coconut, and a
The
truffle.
coconut was my favorite, and then the truffle was my second.
The coconut was my favorite out of the whole bag.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Was my favorite. It's just very, very, very sweet, delicious.
And the dark chocolate truffle was my second favorite.
My second favorite would probably be the milk peanut butter.
Right.
I really do like the peanut butter, but then I do like that dark truffle as well. The only one that I would not eat out of the bag I could eat it. It wouldn't be it would be my last choice, would be the caramel out of the whole bag. But if you've had these, you can let us know in the comments below if you accidentally bought them too.
Or you bought them somewhere else cheap.
Yeah, you may find them cheaper. I haven't seen them anywhere else. Nowhere else but Whole Foods. So it was like, oh, I have to get these. So I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.